Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Pwede niyo po bang isipin ngayon yung taong pinakakinaiinisan ninyo? The first person that comes to your mind, the one who irritates you, who did something wrong and evil to you, who talk behind your back. Pwede din yung nag-backbite sa inyo. The one who makes up stories about you. Yung nangutang sa iyo at di ka binayaran. Yung nang-chismis sa iyo. Nambuli at nanira sa iyo. Pwedeng nanakit physically o psychologically. Yung nang-post sa'yo o nanira sa social media. Naisip nyo na? Tumatawa kayo Mukhang madami kayong naiisip. Sabi ko, isa lang For sure, you have someone or some people in your minds right now. O sige, ngayon naman, try to pray for them. Yung para sa ikabubuti niya, Baka sabihin niyo, sige Father, pag-pray ko, madapa siya mamaya. Huwag naman ganon. Madali o mahirap? I'm sure that you will agree with me that it is very difficult. Dear brothers and sisters, today is the memorial of San Pedro Bautista and companions. Noong 1542, Pedro Bautista was born in Spain, and he was the first bishop of the Archdiocese of Nueva Cáceres in Camarines Sur. He is also a Franciscan missionary in the Philippines, and in 1586, he became the parish priest of Lumban, Laguna. In Quezon City, here in us, he also established San Francisco del Monte. And so, here in the Diocese of Cubao, his memorial was elevated to a feast since he is honored as the secondary patron of the Diocese of Cubao. Siya po kasi ay nag-serve as missionary dito, and more particularly dito sa Quezon City. And you know, while reading about his life and reflecting on it last night, one line that really struck me was when he was being tortured and persecuted by his executioners, he even preached, pardoned, and forgave them. Tayo nga, maisip pa lang natin, inisip pa lang natin kanina yung kinaiinisan natin. Gusto na nating tirisin at mawala sa paningin natin. But San Pedro Bautista is different. And I think that made him a true martyr of the church. Our gospel today says, if you wish to follow me, says Jesus, you must deny yourself, pick up your cross, and follow me. And you know, San Pedro Bautista and his companions were indeed true to this. They denied themselves, picked up their crosses, and followed Jesus until the end. Kahit mahirap, kahit hindi madali. Yes, it is not as easy as it seems. Yes, forgiving a persecutor is not as simple as it looks like. Yes, loving our enemies, our bashers, is not as favorable as it seems. Yet, it is the way of the Lord And so, never tire of praying. Malay natin, we might be future martyrs in the end, like San Pedro Bautista. Amen.